Wondering how to claim offshore tax exemption in Hong Kong in 2023? Stay tuned and watch this video. Hi, welcome to ATHENASIA. I'm Laurent Timmermans. In this video, we'll cover the 4 things to know about offshore tax exemption in Hong Kong in 2023. Number 1, seek the guidance. So if you want to claim the offshore tax exemption, it can be a little bit daunting. If you have never done it before, it's quite a process. So we really advise you to search for professional guidance. The good news, if you are clients with ATHENASIA, if you are one of our accounting clients, we'll do it for you 100% free. So that's the great news. Number 2, the duration. What you have to understand is that this process can take all the way up to 3 years, because you will receive your tax return, your first tax return after 18 months. And then after that, the IRD, the Inland Revenue Department, will go back and forth with your tax representative, and it can take all the way up to 3 years. And this leads us to the third point. The third point is run a parallel strategy. What I mean by that is make sure that you are still putting as many expenses and as you can in your company to make sure that you reduce your profit to the maximum, so that if your application is rejected, you will not end up with a crazy bill on your entire turnover. You will only pay tax on your profit, which is better. But it's really unlikely. Normally, your application will be accepted. If you have 0 operation in Hong Kong, 0 profit generated in Hong Kong, there is no reason to be rejected. Now, the fourth aspect to understand is seek professional advice in your country of residency. What I mean by that is that it's not because you get the offshore tax exemption in Hong Kong that you don't have to pay tax anywhere around the world, especially personal tax. So what you have to check is go to your local tax advisor in your local jurisdiction and check with him how to do that properly. See if it's even possible. Otherwise, you end up paying 0 tax in Hong Kong, but everything back home, which is not what you want. If you're interested by the offshore tax exemption and you want to have more information, just drop us an email at info@athenasia.com and we will see how we can help you.